When you're making a salad at home, there's a few things to consider. Of course, flavour is important, so you've got a good balance of sweet, salty and sour, but also texture is really critical, so there's crunch there. I'm going to make a really simple salad to give you an example of this. Prosciutto, I love it. It's a great base for salads, and I bring my prosciutto out of the fridge an hour before serving it. When it's at room temperature, I find it sweeter and you get the true nutty flavour from it. Now for the prosciutto, I'm going to drape it on the plate so it looks really organic. So take it out of the pack, carefully open that up, and it's actually easier to work with when it's not too cold. And then this prosciutto is just gorgeous because you can see there's a nice balance of fat to meat. You know, this fat, when it's at room temperature, is really nice to eat. Nothing worse than when you get prosciutto and there's no fat on it, because that's where all the flavour is. So the first layer will pop down. So that's the first layer done. Now for an element of sweetness. So I've got some gorgeous little grapes. Figs work really nice with this, also some peaches. Just whatever's in season is going to work nicely. And for some crunch, I love the addition of pickled onions. I'm going to leave them whole. And then for some freshness, instead of using lettuce leaves, why not try some herbs? Herbs that go with the prosciutto. So this is a combination of basil, dill and parsley, and we'll just scatter that over the top. And you can see I'm working with a large plate so we can really see all of the different ingredients that we're adding to this. Now for some creaminess, I love the addition of some goat's curd. You could also use buffalo mozzarella. And I'm just going to scatter that around the plate, just like that. Finally, to bring the whole thing together, a really simple dressing, good quality vinegar into a bowl with a pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper, and then really nice extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use a medium-bodied one, and we'll drizzle that in. Usually we say 1 part of vinegar to 3 parts of extra virgin olive oil, and using the spoon, we'll drizzle that over the top. You know, that took a few moments to prepare, but there's so many flavours going on here. We'll start with the first layer, the saltiness of the prosciutto. We've got sweetness from the grapes, and then the pickly crunchiness from our pickled onions, the freshness from the herbs, and then everything's brought together with a tangy vinaigrette. This is a gorgeous salad. Takes moments. That looks like restaurant quality.